Hello and welcome to another East Van Drone. Today we are at West Vancouver and at the mouth of the Capilano River, which also features a shopping mall, the Park Royal Shopping Mall, which has recently gone some alterations. It was a lovely clear day, a little bit of wind, but you'll see from this video that there's a good, amazing combination of nature and commerce all in one place, plus a sewage works and the Lionsgate Bridge in Stanley Park. Beautiful views from this part of West Vancouver. Enjoy the video, please subscribe and hit the like button. We are trying to get 100 subscribers as soon as possible.